Alrighty, y'all. I'm just coming in with some pure cane sugar right here on top of my Eggo waffles. A dash of cinnamon. Now that I've got all my ingredients onto my hababichi, I am just coming in with a little bit of pancake batter here. We have got whole strawberries, we've got banana pieces, blueberries, we've got our Eggo waffles, some cottage cheese for protein, we've got a little bit of Nutella, a little bit of strawberry glizz, and we've got some cinnamon, good for the heart. All right, I'm just gonna start using my hababichi flippers here. And what I'm gonna do is just start pushing to the side. See, we're making different categories of waffles today. These are all gonna be so delicious. We are just marbling in some of that beautiful cottage cheese, like I said, for protein to kind of counteract the more sweet things, the more sweet aspects. And what I love about this dish is look at this red along with our blueberries and the white of the cottage cheese. This is just looking like an all-American classic. And y'all, the first time I ever did this was when I went to Girl Scout camp during the summer. And when you're at Girl Scout camp and it's your turn, your unit's turn to cook, you've got to make a big breakfast for all the other campers. So this was one of my absolute favorites that we always enjoyed making. It's kind of like the kitchen sink of breakfast, something for everyone. I'm just gonna close the lid on my hababichi here, and we're gonna let this breakfast get cooked. Alrighty guys, so we're about halfway through the cooking process here, and what I'm gonna do, because we do have our frozen fruits, I'm just gonna give kind of a mix to everything again, because we want to make sure this is all getting spread and cooked evenly. So I'm just kind of coming in, marbling. You can see that these waffles are really melding with our pancake batter and creating something really beautiful and delicious. You know, we're still gonna have sort of those patriotic colors, but we're just gonna combine our flavors a little bit to give this such a yummy taste, a yummy, fully well-cooked ingredients. This is gonna be really good. I think you guys are really gonna like this. Now, since this is a campfire treat, I am gonna add some mini marshmallows on here to get in with our campfire theme. And we've got some regular sized marshmallows. These are a little stuck together at the moment. This is a great thing to make on your last day. And you can kind of throw in, if you have any extra ingredients, more fruit, anything you don't want to take home with you, you can kind of pour them in here. It's like the whole kitchen sink, the whole kit and caboodle to make just a yummy, enjoyable last feast for you and your fellow campers. Alrighty, y'all, we're just gonna close the lid on our hababichi. We're gonna let this cook just for 5 more minutes. Alrighty, y'all, breakfast is served. Look at this delicious masterpiece. Now, there is gonna be some moisture from those fruits in here, but don't worry about that. It's just gonna give you extra flavor. It's gonna be like a cobbler and pancake combination. Yum. Oh my God, look at that. Wow, doesn't that look incredible? Now, you can't have breakfast without your syrup. Of course, perfection. And of course, you gotta have some whipped cream. Alrighty, y'all. This is gonna be so easy, so good. You definitely gotta try it.